We'll guide you through how to connect Zapier to Notion. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To connect Zapier to Notion, begin by opening the browser of your choices and let it load fully before moving on. Once the browser is ready, go to the search bar and left-click the search bar to activate it. After that, type Zapier inside the search bar and press enter to search it. When the results appear, select the first 𝗟𝗟𝗞𝗘 and wait for the page to open. Now log in or sign into your Zapier account so you can continue to the next steps. Once you are inside Zapier, go to App Connections, which is where you manage all the apps you want to link. After you are in the App Connections section, left-click the Add Connection button to begin adding a new connection. Now use the app search bar to search Notion by typing its name. After you find it in the list, press Add Connection to start linking it. A new page will load it, and inside the page you will see an option that says Select Pages, which lets you choose which Notion pages Zapier will have access to. Select the page that you want to connect with Zapier by clicking on it, making sure it is the right one for your automation needs. After you pick the page, press Allow Access so Zapier can connect to your Notion account and read or send data according to your settings. When the access is granted, your Notion page is connected to your Zapier account and ready to use. At this point, the connection is complete, and you do not need to add anything extra beyond what was already required in the steps. You now have a working connection between Zapier and Notion, which lets you automate tasks in your workspace. Since the connection has gone through the required permissions and page selection, Zapier will be able to work directly with the chosen Notion page without needing more setup. The main idea is that each step prepares the next step, starting from opening your browser, searching for Zapier, logging in, going to App Connections, adding a connection, finding Notion, selecting the Notion page you want to link, and allowing access to complete the process. Once everything is done, your Zapier and Notion setup is ready to use.